The TMC-7 Turbo Edge Grinder is a high RPM machine designed to grind along vertical surfaces like walls, columns, and stationary objects. They perform industrial surface preparation applications like removing coatings, leveling expansion joints and high spots, and smoothing concrete surfaces. This video will show how to properly use and maintain the TMC-7 and its accessories. Power options for this machine include electric and gasoline. All TMC-7s have 7-inch working widths and grind approximately 700 to 1,000 linear feet of concrete per hour at 1/16 of an inch per pass when using an Edco Diamond Cup wheel. Preparing the grinder for operation is easy. Begin by tipping the machine back and securing the accessories. The 7-inch Diamond Cup wheel is designed to aggressively edge grind rough concrete surfaces, level joints, remove coatings, and prepare concrete for new coverings. The TMC-7 also supports this quick change multi-accessory disc for Edco Dymaslider accessories that perform a variety of tasks. The Dyma dots remove all kinds of concrete coverings including epoxy, mastic, and thin set. We have different grits and bonds for soft, medium, and hard concrete. The single Dyma dots grind more aggressively than the double Dyma dots, but leave more scratch marks. These PCD accessories are for very aggressive removal of industrial strength coatings. Make sure the directional arrow on each PCD accessory is pointing towards the disc's rotation. Edco also offers this bolt-on PCD disc, also for aggressive removal of coverings. The Edco arrow removes concrete and coatings like mastic and hard glue while creating clean surfaces. Arrows are not ideal for waterproofing membrane and for use when polishing concrete. Like with PCDs, match the arrow direction with the disc rotation. Visit Edco's website for more information regarding these accessories and the entire turbo grinder accessory line. Tip the grinder forward after placing accessories onto the disc. The TMC-7 can grind tightly against vertical surfaces and around stationary objects because of its multi-positioning parts. Setting up the machine to edge grind begins by rotating the 4-position dust shroud so that the exposed accessory is facing the wall. The 4-position handle allows operators to work from multiple positions and keeps parts away from walls. This forward position is popular, as it allows operators to control grinding pressure and easily pull the TMC-7 along the wall. The 3-position articulating wheel frame shifts left to right and moves the grinder along vertical surfaces. Set the wheels so that it follows the wall. Attach a 2-inch vacuum hose to the vacuum port. Airborne dust is harmful. Edco recommends its line of vacuum systems for safe dust prevention. To start the electric TMC-7, make sure proper power is supplied and turn on the machine. The gasoline model comes standard with a rigid head and a full dust shroud, making it ideal for resurfacing concrete gutters and correcting water flow. To start the gasoline engine, open the throttle, check the choke, and pull the start cord. When operating, constantly move the machine. This technique will allow the different accessories to work properly. This high RPM grinder will gouge the floor when left in one place. Simple maintenance will ensure the grinder runs properly. Always check the machine for damage or loose wires before operation. Greasing the grinding head assembly is the most frequent maintenance task. The grease point is located above the dust shroud. To tension the belt, remove the belt cover and loosen the 4 power source mount bolts. To loosen or remove the belt, move the mount towards the front of the machine. To tighten the belt, tip the machine back and move the mount towards the back. Retighten the 4 bolts. If the grinding head assembly needs replacement, begin by removing the belt from the sheave and loosen the Allen head bolts on the sheave's side. Remove the sheave from the head assembly shaft. Then remove the 4 nuts around the shaft and the entire head assembly will slide off the machine. For more information on the TMC-7 and to view all training videos, visit our website at edcoinc.com and our YouTube channel. Call Edco customer service at 800-638-3326.